Hi guys, my name is Samir Farooq. I'm a professional marketer. I'm a digital marketer by profession, and I recently came across a software called Make.com, and I found it quite fascinating that how many integrations and automation workflows they offer, and I felt the need for it because I do a lot of mundane tasks almost every other day uh, for my professional work life or maybe some sort of freelance stuff. So I tried learning it, self-learning sort of thing, and wanted to implement it into my daily life. So I created a workflow. So for one of my mundane tasks, it's just a demo. It's just very, I wouldn't say it's a complicated workflow, but uh, it can be easily done, and it helped me out overall. So this is one of the softwares Monday.com we also use. It's a project management software. It's kind of other CRM softwares as well, other management softwares as well, but we use Monday, and I integrated it on Make, as Make already has around 3,000 different sort of API integrations already there. So giving a very brief overview of what we did, going through that, firstly is webhooks. Webhook is basically a trigger point where the trigger is being created for creating an automation workflow. First of all, this is a purely a demo session, and it's purely a demo proposal which I'm creating. It's an automated proposal creations workflow. So, as webhook is just a trigger point. Secondly, is Monday.com. There's an integration on Make.com for Monday.com. So we integrated that. Every business has its own Pulse ID. It's a unique Pulse ID. You can integrate it here quite easily. Then comes to Google Slides, as we work on Google, and so we wanted the Google Slides to be integrated here, and Google Slide has its own unique ID as well. So as you can see in values, there's a company name which we had to highlight, and we wanted it to be the trigger point for it as well, and the role as well. As you will see further when I will open the proposal there, you will see that the role was designated there and the company name was highlighted. Then comes Google Drive, as all the Google slides are being saved there. There's a presentation ID as well. The presentation ID is the unique ID, just as the Pulse ID for Monday. Every presentation has that. So I've integrated that here. Coming on to the role, I've decided when whoever is going to receive the proposal is gonna be the writer. You can select it yourself. He can or she can either be an owner or commenter or reader, whatever you guys wanna do that. So again, coming back on Monday, Monday basically we last thing what we did was there we created a share link ID, so that whoever opens on Monday can easily view the link from there, and as I'm going to be going to the Monday.com proposals. So there's an email as well, which has been attached here. This person is going to be receiving my email. So lastly is Gmail integration. Gmail integration is to send out the email to that particular person I just mentioned prior. This is a body we can do. We can make a body like this, just a demo, so it's not very professional. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna run the workflow. The status is on discovery. We're gonna go on make. We're gonna run once. Wait for new data. Then going back to Monday. Create proposal. So the workflow is running now. As you guys can see that it's gonna take like 3 to 4 seconds max at max. It's done. So we're gonna head back to Monday again, and we see the status is done. The proposal link is generated, and we're gonna open the email again, and let me check where's the email. So here comes it. So here's the email. As you can see that the email has been received to that recipient. I'm gonna open the proposal here now. So this is the proposal we created. The ABC LLC here is the company name. For the COO is basically the role we highlighted there. So this is the whole gist of it, I believe, and this is quite a basic one, honestly, and we can do a lot of things from it. It's like an infinity pool, honestly. We can do automated WhatsApp messages. Maybe we can integrate it here. It has the API integration already. We can do calendar meetings through here just by one single click. We can send out calendar invites to numerous amount of people. So it totally depends on the ideology and the business model, definitely. So I recently thought of self-learning, and I've been learning at quite a pace now. And if you guys want to reach me out for any sort of automation workflows, set up a meeting with me. I am readily available. You can DM me. And it was nice having such a session. Thank you so much.